Last December, I overwintered my eggplant so I could keep harvesting from the same plants this year. Here are the results. But first, if you haven't seen our videos about overwintering yet, overwintering is the process of growing the same plant year after year instead of letting it die off in winter. If it's successful, it allows you to start the growing season with an already mature plant that produces fruit much sooner than if you had started with a seedling. I had 7 eggplant plants growing in the garden last year. We overwintered all of them, and now we're in June, and here's how they look. Of the 7, 4 of those plants survived. So that of course begs the question, why did only 4 of the 7 actually make it? Well, 3 of those 7 that we originally overwintered weren't exactly the strongest, fullest plants to begin with. And normally with a weaker plant, you're not going to be able to overwinter too well, but we figured we'd give them a chance just to see if they'd make it. Unfortunately, they didn't, but the ones that did make it are absolutely thriving. Those 4 surviving eggplants started producing fruit in late March, and throughout spring, we've harvested close to 30 eggplant. And we should have dozens more throughout the rest of summer and fall until we get to December and overwinter these same plants again for next year.